Hey guys, I screwed up. Yes, I did. Anyway, I announced the winner of the last giveaway is Marcy. Marcy, you are going to get the box that I already showed because it was my mistake. So I went back. Marcy said 4244, and someone brought my attention to it that she's actually over the 4243. So yeah, it was my mistake. I just, I wasn't thinking straight. I have stroke brain right now. Plus, I'm really tired. But anyway, I did the drawing. I called Marcy as the winner. Marcy's getting that box. I went back through it. Now, you're not going to see all the names here because if you guess like a single number or in the 20s or even in the hundreds, I didn't put everybody down. Yeah, I did write down the 4, but I didn't even put a name beside it because anybody I saw under the number, it would have to be somebody closer than them. So, Chicky Mama Cat came 5 under with 4238. I did the math this time. I know she won it. Chicky Mama Cat, you actually won the prize. And because I messed up, I made the mistake, I'm going to send you a medium priority box of goodies. So y'all keep hoping I screw up some more. Good Lord, I can't spell pry box. Anyway, Chicky Mama Cat, you are getting the medium priority box full of as many goodies as I can get in it. I need you to send me your address again. I'm going to put my email down below. I know I have sent to you on bingo prizes, but honey, I cannot remember your real name to save my soul right now. So would you please just email me with your YouTube name, your real name, and your mailing address, please? And I will get this box in the mail to you probably, if I get it in time, probably Friday. If not Friday, it will go Monday because it depends on when I get the information from you. So Marcy, yours will go the same day because I'm going to print 2 labels at one time so I don't waste labels. Okay, yeah, I'm tight. But anyway, I'm sorry guys, it was my mistake. And I'll try to be more careful in the future, or I'll ask my buddy that messaged me and say, hey, have a go and checking these numbers for me and tell me, am I right in picking this person or was somebody else closer? It's good to have friends that watch your back knowing that you're struggling right now. So, thank you, buddy. I don't know. I am so glad she called that because I wouldn't want somebody to think I was trying to do something crooked. Alright guys, and somebody would have said something. They would have. So anyway guys, the new contest has already been announced. It's on the original video for this box winner. You might want to check it out. I'll see you soon. Oh, by the way, and I will tell you now, that box is already bigger than what I showed as what was going to be the prize. Anyway, go check it out. It's got some new stuff in it. Alright, bye.